Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here, so I'm showing you how my locks has been growing. I dyed my hair a couple time back, and okay, you can see it's changing color. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Make a girl feel good, okay? Thank you. Hi guys, what's up? So it's my friend's son's birthday, and we want to get him a gift. And there's a top that I have to change of Caden that I got him to go to that birthday party. There's a hole in it. Hopefully they would change it. Good. I'm waiting for the bus. The sun is out, so my legs are out. You can see my legs. I have to go and shave my legs just put that shot on. Oui. Je cherche un coin.
Maman, avant je passe compris parce que la vidéo ça rend...
Hein?
Non, rien. Rien? Si toi tu as dit projet, moi je... C'est tout gris.
C'est vrai?
Oui.
C'est ton droit. Pourquoi tu passes loin?
Bah sinon on voit pas tes jambes et tes pieds.
C'est pas grave.
La privé, et c'est pourquoi, et c'est pour qui, et c'est comment. Et abonnez-vous. Abonnez à la chaîne de maman. Like.
Tu me vois? Les gens. It's a little bit pricey at the same time, not too pricey. And he's waiting for me. Attention. Oh.
J'ai mal au bras. Oh non! Oh non! C'est pas vrai.
C'est tout.
Il y a des petits trucs là-bas aussi. On l'a déjà vu?
Attends, fais voir. Non. Là-bas, c'est pour les plus. Tu vois? Hi guys, it is another day. It is another day. This is how my locks has been going. So I got this interlocking tool on AliExpress for like maybe €1-2. Nowadays there are so many things that you can use to do things, to do anything. You get so many little tools, so many little gadgets. Before, back in the days, you used to think twice before starting to do anything. But there are now some gadgets. My hair is so thin that it's going to be a little rough process. Hoping that I'll make it until the end of this locks journey. This is what it looks like. Behind. Okay, what are you doing? So yes, happy Mother's Day to those who were celebrating Mother's Day yesterday. When I mean celebrating, I mean like here in France, it's not yet Mother's Day. Mother's Day is when? Next month or next Sunday? I can't remember. I think we have the same Father's Day, but not the same Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day. Yeah, happy Mother's Day here. Courage and stay strong. Don't matter what a child is going through in life or whatever is happening in life, a child needs a mother. Even if sometimes some people think like they can do it on their own without. It's just like saying some mothers don't need fathers. But I think like a child can be raised properly by her mother, with her mother alone or with his mother alone. Mother is very important, okay? Don't matter what is the gender of the child, mother is very important. After fathers can do it too, yeah, they can do it too. But a mother figure, mother, nothing can replace that. Not because I'm a woman, I'm speaking womanly wise, and not because I'm speaking for myself, but I've seen it. Sometimes something I'm seeing that, I mean, like, you can be the greatest father in the world, or the greatest adopted father, or the greatest tutor, but a child needs a mother. It's like, it's vital. It's vital, especially young girls and boys, both, because everybody know boys are their mother. Boys love their mother. They like their mother, even if their father are there to teach them certain things. But when it comes to the emotional side, it's their mom for boys. And advising, I'm advised on real life decisions, not on whether you should choose that girl or that girl, but advising. Yeah, so yeah, hope everyone enjoyed the day yesterday. What you doing? Oh my god. So I changed organization of my bedroom. If you watch my vlogs, Kenya, bed was over there. Don't mind my bed, it's all messy. And that wardrobe was here. Wardrobe, cupboard, commode, whatever. So this is what it looks like. The bed over there. What are you doing? It's a bit messy. Don't mind the mess. Hey, madam. What the hell? Give me that. Let's go. Kenya. Kenya. Oniva. So do you like it? The lighting is really bugging. Bugging. Yeah. I'm washing plates. Why is my camera so? And Kenya is making a mess. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Go. Sit down. Sit. Take off the bowl there. Yes. Have a seat, please. Thank you very much. Bravo. Bravo. Good girl. Sorry. Say sorry. I'll pick it up for you. Drink. Eat your thing. Look. That's the first time I'm letting her hold it by herself because you know kids like to make a mess. And she was just eating some of Kid and Frosted Flakes. She eating, she chewing, she throwing it on the ground, and she want more. Whoa. Watch your mouth. You don't want more? Or you sharing? Thank you. Thank you. No, you don't have bravo there. Eat that. Before you make mess there. Back to my. Oh. Put it there. So I'm trying to transit. Is that how they say it? Kenya is transiting to liquid milk from Nidal powder milk formula. Although, if you see things on the floor, don't mind. It's just because I want to move. This is what she has been using from birth. So I'm going to start like half formula until she reaches like maybe 2 or until the end of the year, and other half liquid milk I'm going to try because don't mind the area, it's a little bit messy. Hey, my phone upside down. It's upside down. What are you doing? Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Sit down. Kenya. Sit. Bravo. Put things back in its place. Look, pick that up there. That. Pick those things there up. Yeah. You can't even throw it. Look, one there. Kenya. Throwing it? Good. Yes. Kenya has been throwing her pampers on her own for a while. She's throwing it. Bravo. Shit. Take the rest and throw it. À la poubelle. You want me to hold your compote? Let me hold your compote for you. Look, one there, watch. You don't finish. Kenya. Watch. Kenya. What you doing now? It blocking. Kenya. Look. You're trying to read it. You put it in the rubbish. Look. No, but pick it up. Pick it up. Up, up, up. Yeah, she's reading. And you want to watch it first before you throw it? Okay. Much prices of oil is going up so much, and there's barely any oil in stores for people to get. Oh my god, lie down wrong. It's a good thing it's clean. And you're reading? No, God. Oh, let me go and get back to my dish. Oh no! Oh no! What is that? What is that? Oh no! Oh no! Is that a hole in the ground? You know, the hole. Oh no! It was already there when we came. Yeah. See one spot there, it does make me feel to clean the whole house. Like if I see one little spot, if I start to clean one little spot, it going to give me appetite to just clean everything, and sometimes I just like, oh, it just mental. It's a mental thing, you know. But anyways, I try to put the dishes on that side. I try to start, but I always start with the glasses while the sponge is clean and grease free, because before starting I always try to rinse out the sponge so it can be clean and grease free. And I wash my plates with Clorox, okay, especially for this greasy plates. So I try to wash the glass on them first so that the grease from the plates don't stay on the glasses, make life easier, even if I still use Clorox. Why complicate life if you can just start washing the glasses with clean sponge, and then go and deal with the greasy things. I put the plate on that side because if not they will fall here, especially when the machine is turning. Machine tends to shake a lot. And uh always put the chop pot behind and bowls on this side, because when Kaden makes his breakfast, I like to make things accessible for him. I also put spoons here so that he don't have to stretch. And although you can stretch for the cups, but there's more cups on there, so if you want, he will take a cup under. Or he has this little black stool, you know, little black stool, so he can stand up on it and take his stuff whenever it's needed. Kenya likes to pass broom. She always want to pass the broom. So I saw on, where was it, Amazon or City Discount, you know, that little fake broom, and and vacuum cleaner for children, the toy thing. That'll be a great gift for you, huh? Plus your birthday coming up just now. When is your birthday? You get in 2 years? In 3 months. You get in 2 years in 3 months? And everybody taking you for a 2.5 years old child. Because you're tall. Are you going? I don't finish. I saw on a TikTok video that this could come out. I mean, I recognize that shit had. I mean, I saw that was there, but I didn't know that could have really come out. So I took it out, obviously, and there was some water inside there, and there's a mini flood in my kitchen. No, Kenya, dirty. Oh, don't. And it smells because I have been smelling something funny in the kitchen for a few days now, so I think it's that. Where you going, Kenya? Where you going? No, c'est mouillé. C'est mouillé. Go and sit down. Thank you. I'm going to make some carrot and parsley juice. Listen. Oh, wait, Kenya. Watch, Kenya. Are you okay for? Tu marches trop vite. Hein? Où tu vas? Sur une fleur? Et tu vas faire quoi avec? Attends. What are you doing? They're too big. This crock too big for you. You can't wait to put them.
No.
What? You have to put it back. Put it back in the basket. Put the shoes back. Yeah. Back. Put it back. Kenya. Wow. Put it back, come in. You want to put it back?
No.
Why? Why too big for you? You're going to fall. You will fall. Put back the crocs. Put it back. Say thank you, Tanti. Thank you, Tanti Fanny. Too long you waiting to wear your crocs.